In this video, we are going to see how we can turn off the Facebook autoplay feature for videos. So if you're scrolling down through your Facebook feed and the video automatically plays with sound, here's how you can disable that. First of all, just click on the three lines at the top right hand corner. And if we scroll down a little bit, we will see this settings and privacy option. Click on that. And then again, click on settings and privacy and settings. And under the preferences section right here, if we scroll down a little bit, we can see this media option. Go ahead and click on that. And here it says autoplay in the feed and stories. As you can see here on mobile data and Wi-Fi, you can enable or disable that. Or if you totally want to disable this autoplay feature or your feeds, you can easily do this by clicking on never. Make sure the text box is ticked next to that. Reel start with sound on, you can turn that off as well. And just check if that settings work for you. If not, you can tweak it a little bit according to your needs. And that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one. In this video, we are going to see how we can allow the Facebook to access to your photos or your camera roll. Maybe you're trying to use it for uploading a post or so on. Here's how you can enable that. So what you can do is just click on the three lines at the top right hand corner and head over to the settings and privacy and click on settings. And from here we scroll all the way down to this your activity section and click on the device permissions. And at the bottom, right at the bottom, you can see this photos and videos option, and it is set to not allowed. You just click on that, click on the C info, and you change it to allowed. You click on update settings, open the device settings now, and you click on the permissions, and under the camera roll, as you can see, it's not allowed. You click on that and you can ask every time to allow or allow only while using the app. So you click on the permissions, you enable all of these settings. You also click on photos and videos and switch it to allow. Let's go back after that, and you update the settings and you basically go back, and now it is changed to allowed, as you can see here. And that is pretty much all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.